Here are some ways to check if an iPhone is original. Check the IMEI number. Go to Settings General About to find the IMEI number. You can also dial *#06# on the iPhone's keypad. Then, enter the IMEI number on Apple's website. If the IMEI is correct, the website will display information about the iPhone. If the IMEI is invalid or no information is displayed, the phone is likely fake. Check the model number. The first letter of the model number can indicate if the iPhone is new, refurbished, or a replacement. M. The phone is brand new. F. The phone was refurbished and used by someone else. N. The phone is a replacement. Check the purchase date. Go to the Apple Support website and paste the device's serial number to validate the purchase date. Check the display. For iPhone 11 models and later, go to Settings General About to see the parts and service history. This includes whether the display has been replaced.